Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. Today I'm going to be reviewing my new curling wand from Amazon. I'm Jess, I love all things fitness, healthy lifestyle, and activewear. If you like those things too, definitely subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. So if you're wondering how I got this look, definitely keep watching. First, I'm going to walk you through the curling wand that I used to get the look, and then I'm going to show you how I actually did this. So this is the Atmoko 2-in-1 curling wand, and I purchased it from Amazon. It was $29.99, and the awesome thing about it is it actually comes with two different size barrels. So this is the larger barrel. I believe it is 1.5 inches, and then this is the smaller. So definitely versatile for $29.99. I think it's a great deal. It also had 900 reviews and almost 5 stars. It has like 4.5 stars. So I thought that was really, really good. You also get a little glove inside, and then you do get a little clip as well. When you get it in the box, it's nicely wrapped. It comes in this box and it's got some bubble wrap around the different pieces so you know that it's going to ship safely. And then it comes with an instruction manual and it gives you all the information. It is dual wattage, so you can use it in different countries, and the manual is in English, German, French, Spanish, and Italian. The temperature settings you can adjust. So it goes from 240 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 or 125 degrees Celsius to 230. So definitely a wide range depending on your hair type, you can adjust that as well. If you're interested in purchasing the curling wand, I will link it down below. I did notice on the product it says Elleseye, so I think that might also be the brand, but I will link it so that it's easy to find. Also, if you're curious, my necklace and top are by Tribabe. This is not sponsored, she doesn't know I'm mentioning her, but if you watch Morgan Green's channel, you might have seen her show. It's her friend's boutique. They have just like really awesome, fun clothes and jewelry. So this is Tribabe that I'm wearing today. I'm gonna use the larger barrel today. I have long, thick hair, and I don't wanna take a long time to do this. So I think the larger barrel will make more sense. It's really easy to put on. You just line up the line where it has the unlocked position and then turn it to locked. The first time I used this, I thought it was broken because you really have to hold the button down for a long time. So you'll see it will illuminate. Now it's blue and it says 350 degrees. Personally, I leave it at 350, but if you have thicker or coarser hair, you can increase the temperature. Just be careful. I would use the lowest setting that you can, just so you damage your hair the least. It does have a stand, so I'm going to set this aside while I prepare my hair to curl it. I usually comb or brush through. I'm just going to comb through. I already have removed some of the tangles. And then I have this Perfect Shine Oil Mist by Nature Lab. I really love this, so I'm going to spray just one little spray in my hand, rub it together, and then just go over the bottom. I don't want it up near the roots because I don't want my hair to get too greasy. Start by parting your hair wherever you want to part it, and then I'm going to bring all of it forward. I usually do the front pieces last so that they have the most curl and I can really focus on them. So I'm just going to take a chunk from the back, make sure there's no knots in it. I'm gonna hold the wand and curl backwards. And then I just hold it for a couple of seconds, unravel, and just hold the curl for a couple seconds while it's cooling. And then I throw it over my shoulder.
Trying not to worry about the things you say. I ain't got the time, you're always on my mind.
I'm just leaving this chunk for now so that it doesn't get in the way as I'm trying to do the other side. So same thing back here, pulling it all forward, selecting a chunk in the back, and again, curling backwards and away. And I don't worry about the ends too much.
Baby, why you playing with my love? I'm trying to be patient with you now. I'll never be sober if you don't pull me closer. Look me in my eyes and tell me how. I'm hypnotized. I'm hypnotized.
Time to do the front.
Walking on fire, trying not to burn my feet. I'm tired of fighting, saying things we don't mean. You know I don't like it when you're packing your bag and turning your back, calling me a liar, calling me a liar. Trying not to let my feelings get to me. Sometimes I can let.
And there you have it, the finished look. What do you think? Just kidding. So I'm gonna let it cool. I can still feel the heat coming off the front pieces that I just did. So I'm gonna let it cool for maybe like 5 minutes or so. I'm gonna turn off my iron. You really have to hold it down, and I'll be back. All right, so we are feeling cool all around, and it's very curly. It's really fun. So I get nervous. Some people will just like comb through their curls, but I always want my curls to last. So I feel like for me, if I comb them, I worry that they're not gonna stay. And I like to have a little bit of definition still in there. So what I do is I just basically like flip my head upside down and like shake my head. So I'm gonna try, it's easier in my bathroom, but I'm gonna try to show you what I do. So basically like we're headbanging, like we're at a rock concert. And then see how that just like kind of breaks it all up? And now it's like fluffier and looser. You know, like there's still some definition in there. Like it's not quite like when you brush through. So I feel like for me, then it's just gonna stay a little bit nicer, a little bit longer. So like by the end of day, you know, I'll still have a little something going on. So this is how I've been curling my hair lately. I really love the result. You can always like touch up with hairspray, of course, or add a little hairspray just to make it last a little longer. But I've really been enjoying it, and I really think that the curl brings out the different tones in my hair. So I don't know, it's been really fun. I really hope you enjoyed this review and demo of this curling wand. Like I said, I will link it down below if you're interested in purchasing it. And I will see you in the next video soon. Have a great day. Stay positive. Bye.